Hey guys, I'll make another YouTube video. Might as well. It's 3/31 2018, about 9:23 p.m. on a Saturday. Just felt like making another video. Yeah, I got this a few days ago. I'll show you it. This it's a stand, but I made it for some of my cool cars that I collect, police cars. Always buying more. Some of my color pages that I color. See if we can get up here. That's how it looks like this. And then there's that. All my police patches. Down the road, I'm going to probably do a fire patch. And here's my doomsday. Ouch. Here's my doomsday thing that I got going on. I'm in the light. Yeah, dummy. Be helped if I get out the light. That thing charges up batteries. Let's see here. Here's the batteries. So when power goes out, I can still charge my things up. My inverter. So yeah, it's just how I charge some stuff up. Haven't used it. I did use it when I lived in a camper. About 6 months. I was a doomsday prepper. That didn't go too well. The guy I was living with, it just didn't work out. But you know, I got tons of DVDs. I got my cable went out. They changed it all over to digital, so you can't bump off nobody no more. But I had let's say about 4 or 5 years, good run. Didn't have to pay anything, and there was a lot of people where I live had that too. They just bumped off with somebody that we don't know where it came from, but on March 13th, 2018, they went over to digital Spectrum, and so that means every TV in your house has to have a box. And I called about the box, and they wanted friggin' $80. I'm like, screw that. So I got this HD antenna hooked up. Well, in my location right now, I'm only picking up 12 channels, but I think I'm picking up 24, channel 24, their channels, 3 of them, 2 PBS, 3 Fox, no, I think, yeah, 3, and W something, I don't remember, but it's channel 44. It's the Christian channels. I'm picking up 2 on them. I might be picking up, I think, 4 of NW, not W, but Channel 24. But it's better than nothing. But I got this app on my phone, so I can watch TV, whatever I want. Whatever on TV right now, I can watch. But you better have unlimited data for that. It's called ModDro. And don't go to the app stores or the Play stores. You gotta type that in on Google and you follow the directions when you get on that. But that works pretty good. I've really haven't had no problems with that. So, yep, cancer stick. It's what's keeping me alive. But yeah, I haven't been doing too much since I made my last video. Wasn't that long ago. Made it today. Just been home. Just watched a movie that I bought like months ago and never watched it. It was from 1932. John Wayne's in it, the main star. Hurricane Express. It's black and white. It was an okay movie. Really, any movie John Wayne's in, he's, pretty good movie. This is when he was real younger. So I don't even remember where I bought it from. I got it, I think, pretty cheap. I do know where I got this at. The library. It was $1. Yeah, because my library, where I'm from, Findlay, Ohio, they have a bookseller. So I think Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, you can go down there and buy VHSs, DVDs, books, CDs. And it's pretty reasonable. It's like DVDs are $1. CDs, I think, are 50 cents. VHSs, I think, are 50 cents. Hardback books are $1. Softback books are 50 cents. And I buy a lot of James Patterson books. I read a lot of him. And I'm reading one right now. It's called NYPD Red 2 by James Patterson. I can show you it here. Yep. So that's the one I'm reading right now, James Patterson. Let's see if we can make it where y'all can read it. It's just going to always be backwards from this camera. But that's what it is. I'm reading that one now. And so it wasn't too bad. Starting to get into it. I think I'm on chapter maybe 10. So I just got done reading a book by James Patterson, The Big Bad Wolf. That was a crazy book. That was pretty crazy. Put my glasses on. But yeah, that was a crazy book. A lot of twists and turns, and yeah, it was good. Here's that Hurricane Express, John Wayne. Yeah, so that wasn't too bad. So, yep, that's pretty much about it. Just living the dream. Not much else going on. So it's still pretty windy out there. Got all my maps and stuff. Oh yeah, I got more police cars I could show you guys. There's those two, my scanners. A little bit about everything. Just bought this one, State Patrol car, Ohio State. So, yeah, this here shooting you guys a video. If you guys ever want me to talk about something, if you guys ever subscribe or whatnot, don't have no subscribers yet, but maybe one day. But I still like making videos. I have 2 other channels on YouTube, but I keep trying to get those accounts, but they won't. They're like pulling teeth, because I want those videos that I made years ago to put on this account. But what I have to do is I might record the video off of another computer onto this phone and then post them on my my account here, my new account. So that's an idea I could do, because I don't even know how many videos on my other 2 accounts, but I'm trying to get them deleted. I don't want them out there no more. I want them, for people to know where to come to. I want them to come to on this account. So, but that'll be another day. I'll work on that, because it'll probably take, for a while, it'll take a bit, because I do got other videos. I got other videos, like, I think, camping videos, where I used to go camping up at East Harbor State Park. Weather videos. We've had a lot of storms around here. Just odds and ends videos and stuff, so I would like to get them onto this account. Well, that's about it. Chainsaw Charlie's out. Ciao.